I've got about 10 minutes, maybe 15 before the rain comes, so I'm going to show you how to hook up the Coldx2. So I've got this keg that I got filled at a brewery nearby. Treat it just like a growler. It's 2 gallons, which equals 4 growlers. You can get this cap online on our website. Makes it a little easier to transport. Grab your spear, slap it in the keg. This is going to get a little messy. I generally do this in the kitchen, but I'm doing it on my tailgate today. Totally fine. Normally I would rinse this off before I put it in the cooler, but we're on a bit of a time crunch here, so tighten that up. Move your components out of the way. Drop your keg in. So we've got our beer in there. Now I'm going to mix up a cocktail real quick. Hold tight. You'll see on the keg there's a little pressure release valve. You always want to pull that before you take your spear out. I cleaned and sanitized this keg, and then I filled it full of CO2 to keep it fresh for a couple days. Set your spear up there, dump out whatever little bit of sanitizer might remain. I'm going to grab my ingredients. Golf season is fresh upon us, so I will be mixing up some Transfusions, a little cocktail recipe that we're working on right now. This is the first run. Adam won't get off my back about mixing this up, so I'm going to do it. So this concentrate is 32 ounces. So when you mix it with a ½ gallon of vodka and top it off with soda water, it will give you perfect 9% Transfusions. And here comes the rain. Perfect timing. That's all right. This is quick. Got a little vodka. Pop the cap off. Take this little number off. Nobody wants it to pour slowly. The trick is to commit. Just pour that bottle right in there. Easy peasy. Vodka's in. Sparkling water. Start with cold liquids. It makes the process much faster and less fizzy. As you know, when you open a warm carbonated beverage, it goes everywhere. So when you start cold, no problem. And don't forget to whirlpool your liquids because they pour a whole lot faster. I believe 4 of these will top it off. Guess we're gonna find out. A little bit less than 5. Slap the spear in. Tighten it up. We'll shake it up a little bit. Get things mixed up nice. I mean, driving to the golf course is probably going to mix it up enough. CO2 cartridges. Pull one out and install it. Make sure your gas is off, lefty-loosey. Take our coupler caps off. A little sanitizer in there is fine. Got one. 2. These lines are, seems like a little bit of a bird's nest, but the reason for that is it's a balanced system. So this thing is gonna pour this beer absolutely perfectly. Now, of course, I'm obviously gonna put more ice in here. This is just to show you what to do, okay? Don't get all bent out of shape. All right, let's turn these off. Turn the gas on to 12 PSI, as we're pouring beer. And then start the gas, and I'll grab a cup. Put the lid mat on. It's an accessory you can pick up from coldbreakusa.com. Coldbreakusa.com, you can pick up one of these lid mats. Check it out, we've got Transfusions on tap and properly pouring ice cold craft lager on tap at the same time. How sweet is that? I think it's pretty sweet. Check us out at coldbreakusa.com. If you have any questions, reach out to support@coldbreakusa.com. Pick one of these up, or a cold one, and your summer is gonna be pretty sweet. I promise. Cheers.